Welcome to Digital Growth Tutor. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a new Google Analytics account to your Shopify store step by step. First, log in to your Shopify account. At the top of the dashboard, use the search bar and type Google and YouTube. Click on the app and install it. Once installed, connect your Google account. This can be a Google account where you already have analytics set up, or a new one where you want to create analytics. A permission window will appear. Allow all required permissions to connect Google and YouTube with Shopify. Now the first step is complete. Your Google account is connected to Shopify. Next, open a new tab and go to analytics.google.com. You'll be taken to the account creation page. If you don't have an account yet, you'll see a button that says Start Measuring. Click it. Enter your account name, then click Next. Now give your property name, this is usually your website or brand name. Set your reporting time zone and currency, then click Next. Select your industry category in business size, then click Next again. Now choose your business objectives, such as generating leads or driving sales. Click the Create button. Accept the terms and conditions. Now select the platform Web. Enter your website URL and click Next. You'll now see a measurement ID created for your website. This confirms that your Google Analytics 4 property is ready. Now go back to your Shopify dashboard. Because my website is not fully ready for Google Merchant Center, I'll connect Google Analytics only. On the right side, you'll see two options. Set up Google Ads conversion measurements, set up Google Analytics only. Click Get Started under Google Analytics only. You'll now see a list of analytics properties connected to your Google account. Select the correct property. If needed, there's also an option to create a new property from here. Click Connect. You may see options to receive updates and recommendations from Google. Check the boxes if you want, then click Confirm. Finally, click Complete Setup. That's it. Your Google Analytics account is now active and connected to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching Digital Growth Tutor. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.